Back with more breaking updates coming in. The Indian Air Force's newly inducted Mark-2 drones operating from a forward airbase in the northern sector. My colleague Shivani joining us with the update. Shivani, this is of course very, very crucial. We're seeing a marked difference in the IAF as it inducts the long endurance drones.
See, we've been using the Heron drone since last 2 decades, over 2 decades, but these are the new drones, which are the Mark-2 drones, certainly with higher endurance power. And more importantly, they are now more in the intensified deployment of these drones in the northern sector, which ensures vigilance over the eastern sector as well as the western sector, the front with Pakistan as well as with China. And the Indian Air Force has received these Heron Mark-2 drones, which are better, which have a better payload carrying capacity. They can also, not only they are used for vigilance, but they can also carry weapons along with them. So if they see any enemy movement, they can hit the enemy there and then with accuracy. And this is very important for India because we have seen the challenges of the two-front war lately. And now the Indian Air Force will be more vigilant with more power with these Heron Mark-2 drones, which the Indian Army as well as the aviation branch of the Indian Army has been using. The Indian Air Force and the Indian Army both use these Heron drones, which were inducted from Israel. So now we have the Mark-2 version, which is better powered, better endurance power, and it can be in the air for a longer period of time.
Okay, Shivani, talk to us about the significance of this overhaul that we are seeing, especially in view of the new challenges for India.
See, whatever equipment the Indian Air Force, the Indian Army uses, it needs a overhaul, it needs maintenance, and it also needs upgrades. So, according to the changing needs of the combat situation, we need to keep ourselves capable. And as we've seen that since the Galwan incident has happened, there's been a lot of deployment along the northern sector, along the line of actual control. And we need to make ourselves more capable according to the needs of the situation and the challenges. So when we see that this change is coming with the Heron Mark-2 drones, it shows that we are enhancing our might, enhancing our power to deal with the enemy in any kind of situation. So these Mark-2 drones will be helpful for a better vigilance, for a better target capability, and it will be giving certainly more power to our forces.
Okay, all right. Shivani, thank you for joining us with those details. On that note, we're slipping into a very quick break here, but we'll be right back with the top headlines. Do stay with us.